Hey everybody, on today's video I'm going to give you a tour of our ultimate Cricut cart. As you can probably tell, this is our favorite room in the house. The lighting is fantastic. We just love being in it for everything, pretty much. This is our dining room, this is our craft room, this is a playroom. Since it has to be, well, it doesn't have to be, we like it in here. Since it's a multi-purpose room, we like to have things on wheels and we like to craft a lot. So our craft machines we have put on their own individual cart. This is the one that we have for our Cricut. This is our crown jewel. This is our Cricut Maker in mint. Matches the aesthetic of the rest of the kitchen. And we have this on a rolling kitchen cart. The one that we had came with wheels on the bottom, but you can get them and you can get a caster set to put them on yourself. But yeah, this is the cart. It came with two handles on either end for you to move it. We left the one on this end. And we took the one on this end off because we have all of our Cricut mats hanging here. In the drawer on the top here, pretty much anything too small to fit on a shelf by itself was in here. We've got all of our Cricut tools, the cables, some tape, transfer tape, and then our marker sets, the infusible ink sets, and then the Cricut fine felt, or the fine point felt markers are in there. But the parts that I'm most excited about with this cart are what's below the drawer. Going down one level to this shelf, this is where we store our Easy Press. We have the 10 by 12 inch Easy Press, and we have it stored on this just super simple Amazon Basic monitor stand. We did that to try and make better use of the space because we can store our Easy Press mats underneath of it. We have the little mini press sitting over here to the side, and then right behind it is a Rubbermaid container that has all of our scraps in it, and that's going to be important later. Save all your scraps. We're going to do some fun projects with our scraps. But down below, this is my favorite part of the whole cart. We have another machine on its own rolling cart called a Glowforge, which is a laser cutter and engraver. We made these custom inserts that notch into the already open slats of the shelf, and it stores all of our vinyl. We cut these like honeycomb pattern in it, and it made huge efficient use of the space. We got a slot here for all of our flat cardstocks, flat vinyl, square cutouts here for infusible ink, round cutouts, because all of the vinyl that you get, especially if you get it from Cricut, comes in a tube. But since we had even more space in the back, we made another insert. This is our iron-on vinyl, and this is our adhesive vinyl, removable vinyl, permanent foil. And then we, my mother actually found quite a bit of vinyl on sale, so we've got the really huge rolls of vinyl in the back. But it's super handy. We can, when we are feeling crafty, which is pretty much all the time, we can wheel it in, put it in its corner, plug it in down there. But when we're having a big family dinner, having a big gathering, and we don't want all of our crafty implements on display, you can just take it and wheel it out, store it in the hallway, and no one would ever know it's your craft room. But yeah, that's it for this one. If you like a setup similar to ours, links to everything are down in the description. Be sure to like the video, leave us a comment. We'd love to interact with you. And subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from us. And until then, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like more content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button. No.